Today, the story about an orphan boy called Ifeatu. Once upon a time, Okoye had a wife and they had a son called Ifeatu. Okoye was living happily with the wife, but by the time Ifeatu was 2 years, the wife died. Ifeatu's mother died, and Okoye was left to raise Ifeatu alone. He couldn't do that. His kinsmen came and advised him to get another wife. So he got another wife. The wife came, had 2 children. They were living well until one day. By the time Ifeatu was 12 years old, Okoye died. After Okoye died, Akodo, the wife, decided that Ifeatu would be the slave in the house. She was taking care of her own children. Ifeatu was the one doing all the chores in the house. Ifeatu was the one cleaning everywhere, doing all the work. On top of that, whenever she went to the market and bought something, she would come home and give only to her children. She would not give to Ifeatu. So one day, she went to the market, came back with Udala. The Udala she bought was so sweet. After she gave it to her children and they finished eating, they threw away the seed. Ifeatu picked the seed and went and planted the seed somewhere away from the house and started singing to the seed. Udala mu puo nda, puo 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 nda, puolu nwe nwanne nda, puolu nwe nwanna nda. Nwunye nna m nda gotu udala n'afịa nda, lacha 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 nda, lachawo onwe nwanne, lachawo onwe nwanna. Enu ụwa bụ ọlịlị nda, onye nọsị ọ na-aba nda. The udala seed just germinated. Then he started singing again to the udala seed that germinated. Udala mu too nda, too 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 nda, toolu nwe nwanne nda, toolu nwe nwanna nda. Nwunye nna m nda gote udala n'afịa nda, lacha 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 nda, lachawo onwe nwanne, lachawo onwe nwanna. Enu ụwa bụ ọlịlị nda, onye nọsị ọ na-aba nda. Then the udala seed grew into a big tree. Then he started singing again. Udala mu mia nda, mia 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 nda, mialu nwe nwanne nda, mialu nwe nwanna nda. Nwunye nna m nda gote udala n'afịa nda, lacha 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 nda, lachawo onwe nwanne nda, lachawo onwe nwanna. Enu ụwa bụ ọlịlị nda, onye nọsị ọ na-aba nda. Each time she was telling the udala to grow, bring seed, they bought the father's wife got udala, did not give him, and then because he was an orphan. That's what the song is about. Then the udala brought out fruits. He sang again, the udala ripened. He sang again, the udala threw some seed down for him. He packed them and went home, ate some and gave some to his stepbrothers. When they finished eating, they asked him where he got it. They accused him that he stole their money. He said, no, I planted my own today and my own grew today and gave me udala today. They said, they doubted him. He took them to the udala tree. He sang, udala fell down. They all took some and they all went back home. Then he was sent to go and fetch water. When their mother came in, the half-brother then said to the mother that he was the one that did the magic and planted the udala, and then Ifeatu took it from him, gave the mother the udala they had. So the mother then said, go and show me the udala. He took the mother to the udala tree. He sang, the udala did not fall. Then he climbed to go and shake it, As he was climbing, Ifeatu was coming back from the stream and saw him on top of the Udala, and then he started singing. Udala mu tobe nda tobe 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 nda tobelu nwe nwanne nda tobelu nwe nwanna enu ụwa bọlịlị nda onye nọsị ọnaba nda nwunye nna m nda gotu dala n'afịa nda lacha 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 nda lachawa onwe nwanne nda chawa onwe nwanna nda enu ụwa bọlịlị nda onye nọsị ọnaba nda. He was so angry. He was singing this song, tobe tobe tobe, this grow grow grow, and the tree was growing and getting taller and taller until he was brushing the skies. And if the half brother was up there crying, couldn't come down. The villagers came. The Akkad was screaming. That's the father's wife. They asked what was happening. Ifa told them the story, what happened. So everybody begged him. He said, okay, if the half brother should tell the truth so that he would sing for the Udala to come down. The brother up there then started telling the truth that he wasn't the one that planted the Udala, it was Ifeatu. So Ifeatu started singing. Udala musuo nda suo 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 nda solu nwe nwanne nda solu nwe nwanna nda nwunye nna m nda gotu dala n'afịa nda lacha 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 nda lachawa onwe nwanne nda lachawa onwe nwanna enu ụwa bọlịlị nda onye nọsị ọnaba nda. Then the dada started shrinking, coming down until it came down to a normal tree. And this boy came down. So everybody knew he was the liar. The mother knew he was lying. And that's how everybody knew what was happening in their house, how Ifeatu was being treated. Chappy war.